Throughout my time of being around aquariums, I've grown to like to 3D print all of my aquarium accessories and utility things that I need for my aquariums. We ended up getting a rubber nose pleco and a striped pleco. As you can guess, we started building tunnels. We built a bigger version to go at the 90 on one of the corners of our big tank. Here are a few photos showing the older tunnel. It had some issues, one of them being that it wasn't sturdy enough. The weight of the rocks pressed in on it, and over time, it ended up making a really big crack. Again, you know what we had to do, off to our designing software to get a new rendition. We used CA glue to hold this all together, CA glue being safe when it's cured. And rule of thumb is to always allow for full cure time. We love the smooth edges for great airflow. Once we got it in the aquarium, our red tail did not hesitate to show us exactly how well it was working. This was probably one of my favorite Ideal 3D projects, just because I get to look at this every single day and our fish utilize it like crazy. From our red-tailed shark to our plecos, rainbow sharks, every now and then I even catch some guppies riding the tunnel. If you've stuck around this long, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications if you'd like to see some more videos, and thanks again.